Okay, siqhubeka from that video ne. So kuleya video njengoba sitholile ukuthi is 2000 is 220 is 220,000 ne. So another way wekuthola i-closing balance, and now unganotice kahle now see 10,000 times 2 rand 26 cent, just that mine calculator kuqala bengifake in ama-decimal, so 2 rand 26 cent iba kaso le amount. So that mean nala that mean nala 00 is 0. Okay, sis, now times are basically now see 10,000 times 2 rand 26 cent kunginiketa lena amount 22,600. Then now 400,000 plus 120,000 minus 22,600 kunginiketa le amount ne. So there is another option. The option there is mostly if you don't have, you have ma figures lamanyenti ne, and they only if une balance at the beginning, additional shares, then igcine ma-repurchase. Mara if ma-repurchase ala ayisebenzi lena formula ne. Mara if ala before manang at the end, so ungasho kutsini another way was 2,200 times 2 rand 26 cent uthi le times le then ikuniketa le amount. So it means le times lo 2 rand 26 cent tokuniketa ipi le amount le shothi ufuna unikete 49,700 ne. Lena uyisebenzisa only if uyabona ukuthi ma figures labangakakuniketa wona amanyenti, sengasho ukuthi ma balancing figure maybe manyenti, then ungayisebenzisa le, yabona. So let's say bebakunikete le amount le nale amount le nale, but bangakakuniketi ukuthi at how much at the beginning, bangakakuniketi nani nale amount le they are at the beginning, bangikunikete lama shares kuphela ne. So into lengayenda kungaba ukuthi uthi le amount at the end plus now yetulu uchange le sign. So every time now yetulu change the sign, shows is 497,400 plus 22,600 minus 120,000 takunika bani lo 400,000, yabona. So now yetulu change the sign, now yetulu change the sign. So isebenza kanjalo le method le if ufuna i-balancing figure. Now uyaphasi if le uthe le plus le minus le kukunika le, so naso ufuna i-balancing figure kungile shows le at the end plus le ma-repurchase minus ma-additional then kuniketa le kanjalo. Noma bekuthi bofuna ini le ma-repurchase una le amount le nale shows le at the end minus 120 minus 400,000 then kuniketa in the amount le. Then okay, sesitawenda in i-retain earnings or income, retain income. So iso i-retain income iso inangiyakhona cala i-balance at the beginning of the year, when bhala kahle beginning of the year or repari date ukuthi icala nini the amount, then ikulandzela in net profit after tax is net profit after tax, uve kahle after tax. So that means the amount le uyithola ngekutsini uthi net profit before tax minus i-tax, then kuniketa net profit after tax. Or if bakutshelile bathi let's say bathi i-tax it's 30% or 28% ne i-tax yakho le, then i-net profit before tax let's say in 100 ne 100% shows le i-net profit before tax, then it le i-tax. Mara yakhumbula in-consider us net profit before tax minus tax ukuniketa i-net profit after tax shows long bani 70%. So nabakuniketa i-net profit before tax, so let's say that's net profit before tax in 120,000. Wena now ufuna i-net profit after tax tafika ukuthi times ufuna le ngani multiply by what you want divide by what you have, ufuna in 70 ufuna 70 ufuna net profit after tax and shows 70 une net profit before tax shows times 100,000 if bakuniketa taxini i-tax maybe bathi ngibani 30,000 i-tax yakho le then wena ufuna i-net profit after tax shows multiply by 200 lo ngibani lo 70 anengilo ifunako le divide by i-tax leng-30 then tavula i-net profit after tax ngithola so lena i-net profit after tax basically i-return income ifana ngathini appropriation account yeah iphosa ifana ne-appropriation account nawati le appropriation account ngeke nenkinga kuyo ngithola then sekuba nani nema-repurchase lokulandzelako ma-repurchases shokusilawa kulama-board back and ukhumbule kahle ama-board back nawufika wena and every time if ucalculate lokho utafika uvulela i-bracket la ushaya i-calculation yakho ngithola so nangabe ufuna ama-repurchase let's say nje ngilibeka ngilapha shokusibota azilo 10,000 kule example ekucala leya times sithe i-loss yethu actually because i-loss ngako si-subtract ama-return because we buy back nasibuy back kwentekalani phuma imali so that's mean yaphuma le mali shokuthi times bani 2 rand then kuniketa bani le 20,000 so ngiko lokwenteka la ngiyabona then ukhumbule ama-repurchase every time anjani angu-negative then sekulandzela ama-dividend on ordinary share ama-dividend on ordinary share nawo uyawasubtract hana ubhadara ngawubhadara ma-shareholders ngani so nawo uyawasubtract then under ama-dividend on ordinary share kune-interim i-interim i-paid so interim does mean i-declared and paid abakhuluma nge-interim nje bakhuluma ngekuthi i-declared and paid bathi amount i-declared and paid shoks ma-interim yabona mara bathi i-declared only shoks ma-final ema-final yini ma-shareholders for dividend this year ale current year ema-final angena kuphi ku-trade and other payables shokuthi awungena kuma-trade and other payables shokuthi na ufika nje ungafika ubuke trade and other payables or ubuke ku-trial balance yakho lota ukhanza ubhale khona shareholders for dividends kusuke kungiyo or but akutshela ukuthi umultiplier that's why every time ku-important ukuthi uqala ngani ngale nangile because bangakutshela ukuthi mhla ka-28 maybe umnyaka wethu uphela bani 28 February ne then bas 28 February uthenge kube nema-declared final dividends nga-80 cent uyangithola so wena imvuna ufika nge-80 over 100 shokuthi ngi-0.8 cent and ngikuphi at the end shokuthi lo 0.8 tamthanza ngabani na-220,000 yabona shokuthi somthanza nga-220,000 mara if let's say la ma-additional shares nawuqeda kwenda bekungu-31st August then bathi udeclare lana interim dividends because ma-final usually aba-declared at the end aba-declared and paid at the end then sebathini ma-final aba-declared kuphela declared not paid then sithi ma-interim bathi ma-interim akhona abe-declared and paid maybe 31 August wethu kuphi ula let's say shows us 200,000 plus 30,000 times le amount lo declared ngayo usually bavame ukuniketa ama-cent shows ngifuna ukuthi le amount nabakuniketa 20 cent shows 0.2 cent ne causing 20 divided by 100 then that would also 0.2 cent shows what 0.2 cent times beginning plus the day unangu edekona mashe shows plus ban times 230,000 so that's times 230,000 then dawuthola ema-declared and paid ma-interim ethu or ma-paid ngiyabona ngeke lokdawo okay kanjalo sesicedzile lapho then nawufika la let's say ufole 30,000 then la wathola bani 30,000 then uthi le interim plus i-final then kuniketa ini ama-dividend on ordinary share njengoba kule amount loyifakako la angithola. If wenda i-calculation utawufika ufake uvule bracket ushaya i-calculation yakho close the bracket, nala uvula le bracket ushaya i-calculation yakho close the bracket angithola. Mina every time bengenda so ukuthi ngiphasi ungafiki ufake i-amount ka-accounting la, ungafiki noma i-net profit after tax usho ngayo cala uyibhale la then kanti uyibhala la khona ukhona ukutfola ini batsini lama marks lawa. So khona uthola ma-working marks or ma-working marks or ma-operation marks. So every time uyibhale la kanti uyibhala la, cause if i-wrong le amount yakho loyifake la wena that means ovele urongile la yangithola. Mara if uyifake la then wayifaka la shokuthi itaba right la, mara la yabona ngani khona lebekufuna uku-add la, maybe banganginika le operation mark yekuthini ikhona la then siyade ukuthi lokhu uthole njani ukuthi kufike la yabona. So kanjalo then sekuba nani ne-balance at the end, balance at the end of the year uthini, balance at the beginning plus net profit after tax minus in ma-repurchase minus ma-dividends on ordinary share then kuniketa in i-balance at the end angithola. Balance at the end ukhumbule lama amount lawa uthi le plus le kuniketa shokususa ma-final plus ma-interim kuniketa ma-dividend on ordinary share every time, then nasoya phasi le plus le minus le kuniketa le amount le. So kusebenta kanjalo ke. So sitawenda i-example then endakubona ukuthi kwentekalani but iso